Today we're diving into the impressive features of the Café Couture Oven, a countertop marvel with 14 essential cooking modes, including air fry, CrispFinish, and more. This oven's large capacity can accommodate 12-inch pizzas, 9 by 13-inch cake pans, and 2-quart casserole dishes, making it perfect for party-style cooking. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the oven using your voice through Echo or Google Home devices, or utilize the Smart HQ app for remote programming and updates. The intuitive controls and bright LCD display make it easy to select your desired cooking mode, time, and temperature, while the CrispFinish feature adds a delightful touch to any meal. Equipped with 6 heating elements, this oven ensures rapid preheating and even cooking, with temperatures ranging from 80°F for proofing to 450°F for air frying. Whether you're preparing kids' snacks or dinner party hors d'oeuvres, the Café Couture Oven is designed to flawlessly handle any recipe with ease. Experience the convenience and versatility of this smart appliance and elevate your cooking game to new heights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.